professions, working in LA. Now they run away.